Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video lecture, I will discuss the topic, Galloway's system of interaction analysis. Let us try to understand the Galloway's system of interaction analysis. Galloway's system of interaction analysis, often associated with the recording of classroom events, rows, and the construction and interpretation of an interaction matrix, is a method used to systematically analyze and understand classroom interactions. This approach was developed by Charles Galloway, an American educator, as a means of studying and improving teaching and learning in the classroom. The primary focus of this system is on capturing and analyzing the patterns of communication and interaction among participants in educational settings. Here is an overview of the key components of Galloway's system of interaction analysis. 1. Recording of classroom events, rows. The primary goal of rows is to systematically capture various events and interactions that occur in the classroom, providing a foundation for further analysis. Coding system. Events are recorded using a specific coding system that categorizes different types of interactions. For example, teacher talk, TT, the amount of time the teacher spends talking. Student responses, SR, instances where students actively respond to the teacher's prompts. Questions, Q, both questions posed by the teacher and those asked by students. Off-task behavior, OTB, instances where students are not engaged in the lesson. 2. Construction of interaction matrix, matrix structure. The interaction matrix is organized into rows and columns, with each row representing a participant, e.g., teacher, students, and each column representing a specific type of interaction or behavior. Teacher talk, TT. Student responses, SR. Questions, Q. Off-task behavior, OTB. Filling cells. Based on the recorded events, researchers fill in the cells of the matrix. For example, if the teacher spent 60% of the time talking, the corresponding cell under teacher talk, TT, might be filled with 60%. 3. Interpretation of interaction matrix. Identifying patterns. The filled matrix allows for a quantitative analysis of interaction patterns. For instance, a predominantly filled teacher talk column might suggest teacher dominance in the classroom. High frequencies in the questions column might indicate an interactive teaching style. Frequent occurrences of off-task behavior may signal potential issues with engagement. Analysis example. If the matrix reveals that teacher talk, TT, is disproportionately high, it might prompt reflection on instructional strategies. Are there opportunities for increased student participation through more questions or interactive activities? 4. Feedback and reflection. Providing feedback. The insights gained from the interaction matrix are used to provide constructive feedback to teachers. For instance, consider incorporating more student-centered activities to enhance engagement. Encourage a balance between teacher talk and student responses for a more interactive classroom. Teacher reflection. Teachers can use this feedback to reflect on their teaching practices and make informed decisions about adjustments to improve the learning environment. In summary, Galloway's system of interaction analysis is a valuable tool for educators and researchers to gain insights into classroom dynamics. By systematically recording and analyzing interactions, it facilitates targeted improvements in instructional strategies, leading to a more effective and engaging learning experience. Application of Galloway's system of interaction analysis. The application of Galloway's system of interaction analysis, particularly the recording of classroom events, rows, and the construction of an interaction matrix, offers valuable insights into the dynamics of classroom interactions. Here are some practical applications. 1. Teacher professional development. Recording and analysis. Teachers can use the rows to record their classroom interactions, including teacher talk, student responses, and questions. The resulting interaction matrix helps identify patterns, such as the frequency of teacher-centered talk versus student engagement. Reflection. Teachers can reflect on the matrix to identify areas for improvement. For example, if the matrix reveals limited student participation, teachers can explore strategies to increase student engagement. 2. Curriculum design and delivery. Identification of patterns. The interaction matrix can help curriculum designers and administrators assess how well a curriculum is being delivered in the classroom. Patterns of interaction can indicate if the curriculum is effectively engaging students. Adjustments. If certain topics or lessons consistently result in low student engagement, curriculum designers can collaborate with teachers to make adjustments and enhance the delivery of content. 3. Research on teaching methods. Data collection. Researchers can use Galloway's system to collect data on teaching methods and interactions in various educational settings. Analysis for research studies. The interaction matrix can be used to analyze the effectiveness of different teaching methods, providing empirical evidence for research studies on instructional strategies. 4. Evaluation and feedback. Administrative observations. School administrators or instructional coaches can use Galloway's system to observe and evaluate classroom interactions. The interaction matrix can serve as a tool for providing targeted feedback to teachers. Formative assessment. The system allows for ongoing, formative assessment of teaching practices, contributing to continuous improvement in the quality of instruction. 5. Student engagement and classroom climate. Assessment of engagement. Galloway's system can be applied to assess the level of student engagement during different types of activities or instructional approaches. Promoting inclusivity. Teachers can use the analysis to ensure that classroom interactions are inclusive and that all students have opportunities to participate. 6. Professional learning communities, PLCs, collaborative analysis. Teachers within a PLC can collaboratively analyze their classroom interactions using Galloway's system. Sharing best practices. Successful strategies identified through the analysis can be shared within the PLC, fostering a culture of collaboration and professional growth. 7. In-service training for teachers, training workshops. Galloway's system can be incorporated into in-service training workshops for teachers. Hands-on practice. Teachers can practice recording events and constructing interaction matrices during workshops, gaining practical experience in the application of the system. Thank you everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.